Hello, Pathfinders. Welcome to the April 12th edition of BridgeValley Updates. First, I'd like to remind you, if you are interested in serving on student government next year, be sure to get your applications turned in this week. Now I'm going to go over some events for the next 7 days, just so you've got your calendar sorted out and you know where you need to be and when and what's going on. I'm not going to go over the reoccurring meetings such as Chill with Charlie or recovery meetings, things like that. I'm going to go through the special events that are kind of one-time only events, and then we have a special guest. First, on Tuesday, I'll mention that our book club is getting started again, and it meets Tuesday at 12 p.m. I'll put Kalisa Pierce's information in the description box below. That way you can reach out to her if you're interested and would like an invite. There are 2 events happening on Wednesday I'm going to mention, and they're both at 12:15. First, April is Financial Literacy Month, and our Student Services Division is partnering with BB&T, now Truist, for some financial literacy workshops. And these are short 30-minute sessions, and they're free. Check your email, and you'll have a link to get into it. And this one is going to be about emergency savings and creating a budget. So definitely good information. Also on Wednesday, the Equity and Inclusion Committee is sponsoring a spirituality panel, and there's going to be folks from different religions speaking about their experience and finding commonality in difficult times together. So that is going to be this Wednesday at 12:15, and I'm going to put a link to register in the description box below. Also coming up on Saturday, and sorry, this one's for those of you that are 21 and up, there is going to be a cider brewing workshop at the Grid. And if you'd like to get registered for that, I'll put the description or the information in the description box below. Also coming up a week from today, there are 2 things that I want to make sure that you have on your calendar. First, there's going to be the last popcorn and paint for this semester, and it's going to be Spring Flowers, and it will be at 6 p.m., and I'll put the link to register in the description box below. So it's the last one of the semester. I know you guys love them, so be sure to get signed up. Also on Monday, it is Military Appreciation Day. So if you or a loved one has served in the military and would like to be included in this special tribute, please email your photographs to Missy Lair no later than this Wednesday, and I'll put her information in the description box below. Now I'd like to turn it over to Renee Lester for some important information from Career Services, and if you are looking to get a job, you definitely want to watch this one.
Hello everyone, it's Renee Lester, Director of Career Services for BridgeValley. I just wanted to remind our May graduates of our partnership with GradCast. This is a mobile-friendly platform which allows our graduates to connect with employers who are looking to hire entry-level applicants. This also allows for the Career Services Office to collect some data on our graduates to learn whether or not you are continuing your education beyond BridgeValley, and also allows us to determine if you have found employment in your field of study. If you're graduating this May, please look forward to an email from GradCast once we have confirmed you as a graduate so that you can activate your account. We just wanted to give you a heads up that this email was coming. It will be sent to both your BridgeValley and recruiting email addresses. Again, this will come after we have conferred you as a graduate. So sometime probably in late May or June. We also wanted to remind all students of our upcoming virtual career fair. This event will be hosted via Zoom using the breakout room feature. We will host this event Tuesday, April the 20th from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. We currently have about 18 employers confirmed. We did send out notification of the employers who will be attending. Students, if you're interested in part-time or full-time employment, we would encourage you to attend this event. You can drop in, speak to the employers that you're interested in, and then leave when you are finished. You do not have to attend the entire session. You can attend at your convenience and then leave when you're done speaking to the employers. We did send out the list of employers. We will also do this again as we approach the event date on April 20th. For any questions regarding the upcoming virtual career fair or questions regarding GradCast, please refer those questions to careerservices@bridgevalley.edu. Thank you.
Thanks, Renee. Like she mentioned, the career fair is on April 20th, so mark your calendars now. And I'd like to close with a couple of events coming up on the calendar at the end of the month. First, on April the 23rd, there's going to be another movie night, and it will be in Montgomery, and it's an outdoor drive-in movie, and there's going to be some fun things going along with it, and that will give you more information about next week. But be sure to mark it on your calendar. So Montgomery, April the 23rd for movie night, and then in South Charleston, it will be on April 30th. So definitely circle those dates on your calendar. It'll be a fun time for you and your family. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you have a great week.